Me ma woni akwaba eba Melody TV so mensa aka audio be very short audio a trend na mebo audio natural na muni amotie bi na audio no me hu ne se nkofo bebre share a wo mo kaseti a chema wuntumi se ase chema wuntumi wo ya abo ya ma me Professor Jane Opoku Ajiman na a chese Mahama Afano as the running mate no as a chairman to me ya boni beye and same dia chairman to me walker earlier on during the day today me breo a particular audio from chairman to me the same thing walker say ya ma me Professor Jenana no wo hwe ne wadie ne ti efisro eba fo mo a tese ne ho nyefe opa fa wo ba bia picture na fa compare tese ya ma me no ne ho enka me de sa audio ne breo Emma Kelvin Taylor enam so edidi ye friend say chema huntumi atemu a enya atem ne die ketwa. I condemn both chema huntumi asemu a worker efa the running mate on and I so condemn Kelvin Taylor so atem de dia wo be di chema huntumi atem because enkrofo too di atemu a huntumi yes wo support one side ye ni na no ya asemu a ye kan say atem de die no e wo say ye twa so. Now some people in NPP themselves Emra chema huntumi ka say Nana Professor Nana say be ne huntwa no ana ne ho nyefe no Nkrofo bi a ewo MPP mo ankasa asoweti achema wuntumi se sa de na wo kan de wonjai sa asem ne kan. Some people in MPP themselves are not happy with chema wuntumi. But chema wuntumi sanso the way aba be kan ho. Yenkonko tie ensem a wo kan a nkrofo kan se chema wuntumi bo eye running mate ne be yie se wo ye beifo no. Yenkonko tie ensem ne mra.
Kana John. Na wo hwe maami na nimu ne tirinwi. What I say? Obi wo ho to me hunu said one so e before. What me hunu na nim say, wo da ma me hwe di na hwe di pa. Wo bati ma hwe di say ah. Na ma
chema wuntumi say wo hwe ma me ne di tinwi ni nim a obi wo ho to me hunu sana na we hu say wo ye before. Wo hwe ma me ni din na wo hu din sana. Eti hwini eni mo atumi say we die before pa asema achema wuntumi work no it is I don't know at this point in time I don't even know what to say but me di kan tell say nan say chema wuntumi kasa kasa no because of onwan kasa the radio station any TV stations are wate enu hunti wuntumi TV wuntumi radio sisi a say what na so a and the work kan wo bia into me enya ne hwe na say asem a okokan fa hajia for real ho a hajia for real ka say ene say just say what the number court ni na no that same platform not na so na I have told you already say Ghana has say wo sika papa bi di wo nim dia bi na nkrofo ebuwa memfa ho enkonko share politics no because in same be say ya na be ba be kan fa ho but it's very interesting one side of the thing and they say ewiase won wo ha se ya bobrapa wate wo ewiase mu a bobrapa de ntia na meka sa ende mami ende ye di na temu ye di ni looks wo ye beifo wo ye se no it is because wa bobrapa ema ensembo ni bia eni ne ho ntia na ensem we ni ye ka no it is as simple as that suswa pa se mami no na ka se bi mpredиаса she has gone through some scandals send ye kan say o mbabi wo mo de sebi wo mo baby na akọji position bi ana mbabi akoye say mbabi akoye so am pass ma me na ayesa nyama ne penya na ke yo say na ka by this time MPP for Emba radio so Emba mbeka na but esan say ma me no sabe wa bobra pa when jane cheat edin boni bi entino ye di ni looks e na be attack no because upe once you are Mohammed's running mate the opposition will attack you. Akwakwa say Baumia, once Baumia is Nanado's running mate, the opposition, which is the NDC, always attacks Baumia. And so if you don't have any record of a scandal, if you don't have any record of Bonibia, and you looks near the attack you. Oh, say nipa konekra ne ho nyefe. Nipa konekra o he ni tina o he ni nimu a o de mba bi compare na ne ho nyefe. Oh, say branch ne kra ne ho nyefe. Just say afei wo hwe adwuma wa ye no oni bibi a chese bibi boni bia kan fa adwuma wa ye hu nti afei ahofe na wo de bejaje okra fioko na okra ho nya fe okra fioko na okra osiapro okra fioko na okra no oye tiantia dodo okra fioko na okra oye obolo dodo chese wa hwe pe bibi a wo de ebegu hu fi wonya nti afei wo looks okra fiokra asa oye beifo fioko oye beifo mi hwe otinwi ni wanim ne wo sebi se na wugina wa oye beifo oye mame wota okra mi hu a oye mame wota ntokwa ne de afro wasan na aka akeka efunu wa na aka akeka so clearly imagine se mame no na ka wakwa ko wie sike bi imagine se maame no sebe ya che no se corruption in sembi ninsa hyaase because asema na ye kan fa maame no no se maame no wo so no bon one thing ye kan fa ne ho NPP for bebre ye kan fa maame no ho se wo so no wono no cancel teacher training allowances no asema na ye kan fa maame no hunu no se wono no cancel teacher training allowances but ngrofo aba bonten the document aba betre se sa teacher training allowances no enya ministerial decision cabinet decision nti maame ne de what ho ene de asem no den ebeto ne so it's just like ende inyama bebre wo ho a ministers no ene but that is not the ministerial position of the matter. It have NDC for be cancer answer no yehu ni say oh ene say ade ne kra no maame no kra no wono ye de be share ne so say one cancel ade ne nti enyo no kra na ye cancellation no nti afi dem biom na ebenya aka fa no because that was the only thing I need aka fa maame no ho. But you see, and then you get NPP people saying, even the education minister Matthew Poku Prempeh wakotena asempa the current education minister assembly a wakan and say ade ba kwa Ghana sisi a eye and say JSS in Kolano womo tro BC we are first no utro BC we now ye JSS akola na ofelia eno ano no nti yen embra ye betro BC na yem hihie because in the end say one take it's not like wasi SSC once SSC no and wasi no a friend wasi no so okotro wasi na and no remedial so ho obetumi asan so atrobium the number of times I person wotro no obetumi akotro but BC no okotro na nko yi na tell say afi we say yesan so enroll you in a different school wow nim na ne na edin mami mreso na wodi BC remedial se bae to say senior wasi no utro na ofelia just the next year obetumi akotena say atro remedials no in fact endu next year kra because obekwa akotro of deck ebia wasi no mo tro no ebia January no deck no ebia next 4 months it ebia wasi ne January now yare na ebia wo tro ye na trese ana wo yare na wentumi antro ana wo tro ye na so wentumi ampase a obetumi register for no deck no na trese within the year na watro ingofo bebre card of deck eco university ya je but BC level there was nothing like that. It's not BC no failure na eye ding mami and our this BC level say BC in so yentro remedials na wo bia wo education sector bia ka say hey ade we there a good initiative but once embra na ye ka say enya say no ye bo mami ni din say wono no cancel allowance ni nyama no once ene there yan kan she ho say maame ne tra wono no this ade ne buy but ende ubisa education minister wo ye MPP ni a wono tra say ma wo kan say sa de single thing na ye implement ye no e ya de aboa ye. That's what the education minister said on Asempa FM. It's at the end of the day, for me, I'm expecting to see normal things like you say abronyan so can say maame no we owo menopause no bia owo menopause o ye fan say one man panyin wo ni ho na trese wo bia owo menopause say o de presidency no ba be hye nsa e be ye den sa na mate me ngofo na akata me say abronya aka me nya audio ne ntie but ne kresa abronya aka sa de na it is normal. These attacks will come once they've done some digging into the woman and they found out say maame ne kra na sebe wo ye clean won she den di boni bia sa no enyama personal attacks be say na ebeba. So for me, I am even not surprised. I am not surprised one self. Oh, me nya surprised you. Me nya surprised there. But the me can and say, I was say politics no, your man and who ete. Apart from the fact, say yaba betena radio ni TV so. Apart from the fact, say yes, I am on yourself any year, you know, it doesn't need to be dirty. It doesn't need to be dirty, calling people witches, just destroying the names of people. It doesn't need to be that way. And for me, the small thing I'll say, my 2 cents on that, and no. Won't you imagine your comment box number 4? That's it.